Hello, Sundari. Guys, today I want to talk about K Beauty, but what has happened is that I am kind of hella late about doing this video. I really wanted to use these products and then I want to talk about it. I thought that the amount of hate these products have gotten, I didn't know how to take it. So I was like, you know what, Komal, don't do a first impression because it makes no sense. And I, anyways, don't really like to do first impressions. So I thought I'll use it and then tell you guys what I think about it. Katrina Kaif launched her first ever makeup line on Nykaa, which is great. Yay! Okay, great for Katrina. The first ever makeup that I purchased from a celebrity was Sunny Leone's products, and they were pretty okay. They were modest products. Katrina Kaif is known for her amazing, I think, abs. She's never been really known for her makeup, so when she came out with the makeup I was kind of surprised. But I think Nykaa has this thing now that I think this is the first of many of the celebrities working with Nykaa to launch their own products. That being said, so I ended up purchasing 4 products from the range. The first is the lip pencil, the second is the lip crayon, the third is the lip topper, and the fourth is it the eyeliner, or is it, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna write it right here. The lip pencil color that I have is called Unleash. The texture of this is extremely soft. It glides on very easily on your lips. It is quite pigmented, but it's not very opaque and it's not very stark. It ranged from a very beautiful neutral to, I think, a bit deeper in terms of reds in the range. I really like the pencil. I like how it glides on my lips. I like the color. I really like the color Unleash. It looks like my lips but better. Positive points about this lip pencil is that it is affordable. I love the color shades. It does glide on easily. It does look quite nice, and it does stay on your lips for a long period of time. That being said, the formula is not super drying, but it is drying. It's supposed to be matte, I think. And if you do just apply this on your lips, you will notice that you need a little bit of a lip balm. So this is not something that you just apply and then leave. You can touch up. This stays on my lips for about 7 to 8 hours if I don't eat anything oily. If I do eat something oily, then it definitely goes away very quickly. It does not have a sharpener. It's just a regular pencil, and I feel like for the price you should give a sharpener. Also, I don't like the pencils that you have to sharpen. I feel like it wastes so much of the product because you sharpen it and then by the time it just becomes like a cone, it just loses all the product around it. I don't really like the packaging. I feel like it could have been better. You can just give a twist up. I think that one is way better. I don't really like the packaging of this, and otherwise I think it's a pretty okay average product. The second one is the lip crayon. I got this in the color Fashionista. I thought in the Nykaa store that this would be a nice neutral shade for me, but it's not. Actually, it's like a pink. I don't have this one on. I have Unleash on my lips right now. I'm in NC 20 to 25 currently, so this is what Unleash looks like. Crayon is not as smooth as the pencil. The crayon also goes on extremely matte for me, and I feel like the crayon makes your lips feel really dry very quickly. Now please keep in mind, I don't have dry lips to begin with. I have pretty hydrated lips. I barely ever have dry lips unless I'm dehydrated. So this one dried off my lips very quickly, so if you have dry lips I would stay away from this. But this is a semi matte formula. I like the colors. Again, I like the formula, but I don't really like it that much that I would recommend it. It's not something amazing. It's not something out of the blue that I would love. The negative of this is it is nice. I wish it was creamier. I also wish it was less drying. I feel like it could have been lighter. I feel like it is a little thick. The positive thing is that this does not transfer that much. It does transfer a little bit, but it doesn't transfer as much as a regular lipstick would. So you can definitely just keep this in your bag and take it out, apply it, and then put it back. I like the pencil. This one is a twist up, which basically means that it's easier for you to use, it's easier for you to keep. Travel wise, it's quite nice, but I don't really trust things like this in my bag. It tends to like just open and then everywhere. Do I like it? Yeah, I like the shade, but there's nothing so amazing about this that I would recommend it. If you want an alternative to this, apart from other options, my favorite is the Color Bar Matte Me As I Am in the shade Stunt, I think. Yeah, this color is just so beautiful. It looks exactly like my lips, and it's just so much more creamy than this one, and it's way lighter. So the formula for every single day wear is really nice. It does not dry out your lips like this one. And that's obviously something that you can look into if you don't want to buy this or do not have a Nika store around you, or you just want to try something else. Next product is the lip topper. This one is in CoverGirl. Yeah, it's like a really beautiful rose gold with a bit of more of gold in it. It's a really beautiful shade. I think this will work with almost all skin tones, Indian skin tones. And I had seen a lot of people not like the fact that it was tiny, and then I started questioning if I like it. But then I'm going to try to be as rational as possible. For me, I really like this. I think the size of this makes sense for me, okay, for my personal use. I also really like the applicator because I have really thin lips. So after, I don't really apply this all over my lips. What I do with this is that I only apply it in the center of my lip and above the same place. What that does, it makes it look like I have bigger lips, which I don't. So I really like this applicator because what ends up happening with a gloss is that because the applicator is so thick, it kind of moves the product underneath it, and it just makes it look really weird. Whereas this, the consistency of this is just so light that with this applicator, I just go like this, dab it, and I'm good to go. I like the texture of this. This is extremely light. It doesn't, it's more, the lip topper is more of iridescent top rather than an actual product. So I don't really think you can use it. I mean, you can if you want to, for just like a hint of shimmer or a hint of like a gleam on your lips. I wouldn't really be using that. The lip topper definitely is a bit more expensive, I feel like, because of the amount that you get. That being said, I actually like the texture of this. It's extremely light, so when you do layer it on top of your lipstick, you can either use the lip pencil or the lip crayon. When you apply the topper on top of this, it actually does not feel like anything as compared to other glosses where you do apply them, they're a bit shimmery, but you apply them and you just feel like both of the products are shifting here and there. This one actually, the second you apply it, it just dries up really quickly and it has like a very flowy, very thin texture. So I like that. I like that texture. I can understand how this will not work if you try to apply it as like a lip gloss. So if you are thinking of purchasing this as something that you're going to apply all over your lips, this is definitely too little and the applicator is sucky. But if you're somebody like me and if you want to use this as something that will give a bit of like a light to your lip and create a sort of like a chrome effect on your lips, then I like it because it is a little bit less. But if you're applying it only on one spot, you don't really need a lot. I also tried to use this on my eye and it looked really pretty. I don't know if you can apply this on your eyes, so please don't try it. But I did use that and I quite like it. I really like this color, okay? I don't know about other lip toppers that are available in the market. I don't really use lip toppers that much. But for some reason, I feel like they made the applicator to be like a spot applicator. I don't know. That's just what I feel. The last product is the eyeliner. This is what I have on my eyes right now. It's sort of like a kajal, I think. This one, by the grace of God, is a twist up. So that's great. This one is a creamy texture. It goes on really easy. It is easy to smudge as well. Is it amazing? It's okay. Is it the most amazing thing out there? Not really. Is it like a must-have? Not really. Is it something that you have to buy? Not really. It's just like any other eyeliner, and I don't really find it to be anything special. That being said, if you purchase this for just this being an regular product, does this work? Yes. Is it smooth? Yes. Is it easy to apply? Yes. Also, I feel like it's not super black. It is black, but when it does apply, it looks something like this. So it's not like boom. You know what I mean? Because this makeup line is launched by Katrina Kaif, a lot of people were wondering why exactly should we buy regular products in a different packaging by a celebrity at a higher price? And that is a very good question. If you are buying a celebrity makeup product that is being launched by another company, vis-a-vis, like in this example, Nykaa, chances are that the product is going to be more expensive, not because the product is amazing, not because its packaging is amazing, not because it's just an amazing product in general. It's a very simple aspect. You're buying it because of the celebrity. So it's like the celebrity factor. It's that X factor that you will spend more money on that product. So a lot of people were wondering, like, why exactly is it so expensive? Like, what has Katrina Kaif made and stuff? It's just general marketing tactic. Like, somebody that's so famous as Katrina is gonna bring in the numbers, and that's why you have to place it not super cheap, not super affordable, and it will be a tiny bit more expensive than all the affordable products. Of times what happens with celebrity collaborations with specific brands, not just this one, is that celebrities mostly don't even know what's happening. They are given catalogs that they're told that these are the sort of shades that you can create, and these are the formulas, and they mostly get the full end result, and they test it and they check it. If they like it, they're like, okay, fine. Because let's be honest, Bollywood celebrities don't have time. I'm pretty sure Katrina Kaif doesn't have like crazy amounts of time to spend and like create a makeup line. She's busy, okay? She's busy being Katrina Kaif. But that's not a negative thing. It just means that the input of Katrina Kaif most probably wasn't 95% or 100% in this. Does that make these bad products? No, it just makes them average products. But I'm assuming that it is also possible that Katrina Kaif was extremely involved in all of this, and it is also possible that she was there for every single shade and she tried all of them, and it is highly possible. And with celebrities, the way they work, every single thing has to be on brand. Katrina Kaif's makeup is not 45 eyeshadows, 35 eyeshadows. Her makeup is very simple. It looks very natural. It looks, her makeup is always based on really good skin, and her eyes are generally these products that she has launched. She doesn't really wear crazy amounts of color. She always has a coal eye. It's mostly smudged, and always wears these sort of lipsticks and lip colors. And she always, in glamorous shots, does have lip toppers like this. Her features look glamorous, but not gaudy. Okay, so this one time I'm gonna tell you some tea, okay, some chai. Ugh. This one time I went to a celebrity launch of a product, and the celebrity had no idea what the shades were. She literally said, oh, what all shades are there? Oh, this one is pretty. Oh, that one is pretty. So they don't have time to do all of this. You know what I mean? I know that sounds really wrong. Like, why do you want to create a makeup brand then if you don't have time? It's because they have people that have specialized in this. Nykaa has specialized in creating makeup. So Nykaa has that pat down. So Katrina Kaif doesn't have to just be like, oh, this shade, I want it like in a different texture or different, because Nykaa knows what's up. Nykaa knows how to produce it. Nykaa knows what sells, and they're going to take care of all of that. So another thing, guys, I feel like affordability is extremely subjective. Something that I think is affordable might not be affordable for a college student. Something that somebody that really likes luxury care products might think is affordable, and it's not affordable for me. So when I say affordable, I mean, according to me, I don't feel like it is expensive if a lipstick is for 500 or 600 or 700 if it is good. Also, don't mind any lipstick that's average. and is about 500 to 700. I don't mind that because I have the tendency to use the same lipstick over and over again up until it finishes. So I don't really buy a lot of products. I just buy what I know I'm going to use. So for me, it's sort of like an investment. So I'm definitely going to be using these up until they finish. But if you give me the option of buying these again, I don't think I will, because I'd rather just buy like a lip balm, because I don't really use lipsticks on a regular day basis. But I have to use these because I have to finish them. So yeah. Should you buy these? I think if you are a Katrina Kaif fan and if you want to recreate her makeup, if you want to have the sort of look that she has in all of her videos, her movies, then you can definitely try this. If you're somebody that's concerned with price, these are a bit expensive for average makeup. You don't have to purchase it and then feel bad about it, by the way. You can just go to any Nykaa store, try it, walk out, see how it works on your skin, on your lips, and then you can purchase it. If you're somebody that's not a Katrina Kaif, why did I say it like that? If you're somebody that's not a Katrina Kaif fan, this is a pretty average product. There's not really anything new in this. There's a lot of products that do exactly the same thing. So if you want to save some money, don't go for this. Just go for something else. That's about it. That's what I think about the K-Beauty products. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it if you have used it. If you guys have used the topper, let me know what you think about that. If you use it completely as like a lip gloss, or if you use it like me. Also, what do you think about any other products? Like if you have tried it, definitely let me know in the comment section. It's really helpful for other people, because I'm just one person and I have a specific angle to makeup and beauty. And if you have used it and if you don't like it, if you like it, if you love it, or if you use it in a specific way, if you write it down as a comment, it becomes very easy for people to have different perspectives. As helpful as my perspective is, it is still limited to my personal opinion. So if you like it, if you don't like it, whatever you think about these products, definitely let me know in the comment section. I would love to read it, and it's going to be extremely helpful for a lot of people to know different viewpoints about the same product. So that's about it. I hope you guys like this video, and if you didn't subscribe,